What's up, guys? We are back for another video. Last night we actually went down to Topeka. I had the car lying again. Thanks for Kevin for hooking it up. We got the camber completely set to 0 on the backside. Tow as close as we could. This car has a lot of different things to it, so the adjustment is not... They sell rear trailing arm brackets that have better tow adjustment just because these are so minimal. And then we got the front tow set to 0 as well, so that made a big difference. But we went to cruise night last night, went to the local car show. We had a lot of fun. I went and gave 2 different rides. One of them I did get on camera. This is one of our buddies. He's a Vietnam vet, and he's in the group chat, and we have tons and tons and tons of fun with him. He is very, very funny, as you'll see in the video. Yeah, love the dude. I apologize for the quality of the video. It was getting dark out. I broke my phone, so I had to borrow a phone. But it works out. You get the conversation. I'm just going to put the complete raw edited clip in, and you'll see how that goes. We've been wanting to go for a ride in the car together for a while, and saw a good opportunity and gave him a ride, and you'll see how that goes. So anyway, guys, I'm going to show you guys the clip here, and enjoy.
Sounds better sitting in it than it does outside. this goddamn car so much,
Oh,
kid.
yeah. It's fun.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Big shout out to Old Man Mills. I hope he enjoyed the ride in the car. I think maybe he's going to be either a new LS guy or a turbo guy. We don't know. Maybe both. I don't know, but he's a big time Mopar guy, so it's always fun to get those guys out and get them in something kind of like this. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you later.